All right, guys, how we doing? So I got 17 September 2021. It's about 6:45 p.m. and I'm over here. Right behind me is the sign, okay, Las Vegas sign. Further down is the Mandalay Bay. Behind me on the south side, headed south Las Vegas Boulevard, is like the town center, okay, little mall over here on the west side of Las Vegas Strip, and also the executive airport where I used to work there years ago. Okay, actually that was our office. Where's our office? Right over here. Okay, yep, long time ago when I was fueling planes. Thought I'd take a little break. Okay, my ass hurts on doing these lift rides. But I want to talk about here, ladies and gentlemen, that fire out there in Mount Charleston. And Mount Charleston Lodge is burnt down, okay, and a few other areas where it caught fire, and I guess it's concerned about the spread of the fire. But a lot of people are heartbroken. I looked at these articles from Fox 5 and Channel 8 News about that lodge. It was a very old building. A lot of people, served a lot of their memories. For me, I can remember when the kids were younger, we used to go up there and go the little ski boarding, do that little thing, and then go to the lodge. I've been to the lodge a couple of times, and looks like they're not going to have it anymore. All right, now that building is pretty much non-obtainable. All right, so, but it burned completely down. Now, I don't have any footage of it, but you can look at Channel 5 and Channel 8 News, and you can get some footage of that that lodge burning down. It's not a pretty sight to see. Again, a lot of people are very, saddened by this. So looks like for the wintertime, people that come to Las Vegas that go up to Mount Charleston, which is basically the northwest part of the city, all right, they're not going to have that lodge anymore, okay? I guess that was a double-decker bus there, all right? But anyway, any rate, that's something unfortunate that happened. Other than that, there'll be a lot of activities this weekend. Mexican Independence Day, and you have the Life is Good Festival and the iHeart on a better note. Okay, the Raiders will be playing out of town against Kansas City, and that's about it. But I just wanted to let you guys know, for the most part, about that fire up there. So let's keep whoever affected in our prayers. Also, many of the trails up there are cut off, so you have to find out what trails are open and what not. But it looks like many people that are lodging up there and they have property up there are going to have to be evacuated, okay, until that situation is rectified. All right, so that's it on that. Maybe I'll do an update perhaps. And if you find this video interesting, feel free to subscribe, like, share, leave your comments, check out some of my other videos. If you want to donate to the channel, it's on Cash App, $Weston Spivey, and for PayPal, SPIVEW1 at unlv.nevada.edu. Okay, once again, thanks for listening.